Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can simulate a test order on Shopify to make sure everything is working well. So let's get right into it. Now, what you're going to want to do first is deactivate any payment gateways that you have. For this, just go into payments and make sure that whichever gateway you have is deactivated by just clicking on it and clicking deactivate. Now, as you can see, I don't have any payment providers activated, so I don't have to do this step. But what I'm going to do is going to choose a provider, and you'll see a bogus gateway right here, which is called for testing bogus gateway. Click on that and then click activate, and it should be checked off. As you can see, you must add a payment method to your account, and as you can see, you can use the following codes in place of the credit card number when checking out. This is the list. 1 is to simulate an approved one, 2 is to simulate a declined transaction, and 3 is to simulate a gateway failure. Then, as you can see, any 3 numbers can be used as the card security code, and expiry date in the future will work. Just add any random date which is in the future, and yeah, then that is pretty much all you need to do. But as you can see, it's meant for testing. Shopify will not charge your transaction fees on orders paid with this gateway. But yeah, once you're done with that, click activate, and now as you can see, that provider has been activated. Now, if you went to your store and just purchased an item with this, all you have to do is, as I've said, name on card, enter bogus gateway, and then enter any of the first 3 digits to simulate a transaction. Then the CVV is any 3-digit number, and expiry date is any date in the future, and then it should return a either approved, declined, or failure whenever you finish that transaction. And yeah, that's basically it. Once you're done with this, just click deactivate again, and as you can see, now I don't have any providers on my payment anymore, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.